The average Canadian household spends about $1,200 a year on groceries. Even a 5% jump driven by cross-border supply issues means hundreds of dollars out of pocket for the average household. Well, we all know markets are watching the circus like it's a suspense film. When Bassett hinted at cooperation with China, stocks rallied. Then the optimism vanished. Why? Because there's still no concrete deal. Investors are basically gambling on vibes at this point. And here's a wild fact. Over 40% of what Canadians consume is either imported from the US or affected by US trade policies. So when their economy sneezes, we don't just catch a cold, we get the full-blown flu.